Everyone, today is a very quick tutorial how to make invisible decrease when you crochet amigurumi toys. So I just wanted to quickly share with you and record separate tutorials, so anytime you forget you can watch it. So right now I will have another row of decrease. Normally you work amigurumi with increase, then you start decreasing, and sometimes the decrease is very visible and it makes the toy look a bit awkward, but there are also other ways how to make it less visible. So I must just see, here was my decrease, so 2, 4, 5. So right now I have to make one single crochet and one decrease. So I go under the front loop, pick up the yarn under the front loop of the next stitch. Now I put the yarn into the first loop, and now I make one single crochet. So now you practically cannot see the decrease. So now I will show you again. Move the marker. I have to make for my pattern 4 single crochet and a decrease. So 3, 4, and now we start with decrease. Go again under the front loop, yarn on your hook, go on the next one. Now pull this yarn and make one single crochet. And as you can see, it lays very nicely on the pattern and practically is invisible. So it's very hard to see where the decrease is if you make them this way. 2, 3, 4, and as you can see, it looks very nicely. So I showed you last time under this, catch, next one, pull through, and one single crochet, and you can continue to make a decrease this way. And it looks really nicely, and you will never find them after you finish your work. So I hope you enjoyed this trick. Let me know in the comments below if you know other ways to make invisible decreases or increases that make the pattern look nicer. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.